Dear all, thanks for joining us today for this video number 4 for a SQL account. You remember in our previous videos, we learned how to download the software, how to make our database, how to set up the country and the GST for taxation, and how to set up our company profile. Today we will learn how to maintain the account chart. If you remember, here there is the workbook which we are working on it, and we have the task number 5. The task number 5 is please add following accounts into chart accounts, or what we call it maintaining accounts chart. How we do that? Again, we sign in to same database we were working on it for previous videos. We go to GL. GL, it means general ledger. Okay, so after we go GL, we go maintain account. So to maintain the account chart, you need to go to GL, which is General Ledger, then maintain account. We press here. We will get this window. You will see here some accounts are already assigned here, and it's very normal because it comes by default from the company itself, and in any database we create, these things will come by default. So let's see what is requested from us in that task. We have the account type, the account code, we have the account description, which is account name, special type account in case, and we have the industries code in case we need to add it. So first, the fixed asset, the account type is fixed asset, the account code is 200-500, the account depreciation is computer. So if we go here, we see we have to create the computer under the fixed assets. If you see here, we have all those accounts. We need to find where is the fixed assets. Fixed asset, it's another name for it, is called non-current assets. So those non-current assets, all the codes starting with the 200, then the other 3 numbers of the code is for this specific account. So the account which we need to create it is called computer and is under fixed assets. So we press on the fixed asset, we just highlighted. You see, wherever we press, it will be highlighted. So we highlight the fixed asset, or we call it non-current assets. We press new. So here, when we are creating this fixed assets, this account, which is computer, it will go under the fixed asset. We put the code will be 200-500, the description, which is the account name. Okay, then we put OK. You will see how this account already generated in the account chart. Let's see the second step. Second step is to create depreciation account for these computers. Okay, again, it will be under the fixed assets, or what we call it the non-current assets. So we press the non-current asset, we create a new, we put the code of the account. All those under non-current assets will start with 200, the description or the account name. And we need to press here, because if you see that, is it special account? Yes, is accumulation of depreciation. So we press special account type, so it will show it as accumulation of depreciation, because it should come at minus in our financial statements. Then we put OK. So you notice here, it directly show up here. This is the account accumulation of depreciation for computers, and the special type, yes, is under accumulated depreciation account. So this is second one, we already finished. Third one is under current assets, which is Maybank. Yes, is a special type account, is a bank account. So let's create this one. We need to notice here that this one is a sub account under 310000 cash at bank. So here, when we are creating this account, you will not press on the current asset. You will press under cash at bank, because it's a sub account of it. How we can do that? If you see that that tree is very long for you, you can just take you can press on this minus, so those all accounts will minimized. to be able to reach to other accounts. So here we need to create the account called Maybank, which is under current assets. Here is the current assets. We have cash at bank. If you remember, they mentioned for us that the Maybank is a sub account under cash at bank. So we go to cash at bank, then we put new. We put the code of the account. We put the description, which is Maybank. And this is what is the type of this account. You see it's a bank account. Here you see under the cash at bank, already by settings of the software, we can choose this one. Is it bank account, cash account, deposit account, customer control account, balance stock account? So it's a bank account. Then we press OK. You will see how Maybank show as sub account under cash at bank and show it's a bank account. Again, under current assets, the account number 4, we have to make the sundry debtors, which are customer control account. We go to current assets. We have to create account. We press, you see, we highlight the current asset. We put new. We create the account. Sundry debtors. And yes, it's a special account, it's customer control account. We press OK. You will see how sundry debtors it show up here. Again, we have also, okay, here we finish the current assets, we finish the fixed assets and the current assets accounts which we are working on it. Now we go for maintaining in the current liabilities. Again, we try to minimize here to go to the current liabilities. So under current liabilities, we need to create also accounts similar to the previous one, but previous one was debtors, so is under current assets. This one is under liabilities, so they are creditors, so it's under current liabilities. We highlight current liabilities, we go for new, we put the account code, we put the description. And yes, it's a special account type, is supplier control account. We press OK. You see how it shows here. Then we go to the next account, which is under sales. Sales of hardware, sales of accessories, sales of software. Here they need to categorize the sales to be, it's mostly for to follow up our sales in different type of our products for our managerial decisions. So we go for sales. Again, we try to minimize the tree. Under sales, we need to create accounts. So as usual, we highlight sales, we press new, then we put the account code, the description, and we put the industrial code. This is for managerial account, managerial accounting. So we need to choose it. We press OK. Then we continue. We create another account under sales, new. We press the code, the description, sales of accessories. Also, we have to put the industrial code. We press OK. Then also under sales, we put another account, which is sales of software. Sorry, not here. Then we put the industrial code. We press OK. Then we finish maintaining the sales. Now we need to maintain cost of goods sold. We need also to create cost account for each one of our sales categories. So we go for the cost of goods sold. Also, we highlight it. Then we press new. We put the account code, we put the account name. Okay, then the second one, Also new, we put the account code, we put the account name, and also last one, we press new, account code and account name. Like this, we finish this task of maintaining the chart of accounts. Here you will see how charts of accounts showing to you. You will see this is here categories of the accounts. We have the non-current assets, current assets, and investments, and others here. This tree can also modify it as a requirement of each company, but to make it easy for users, the software already create this tree and you can just maintain, modify whatever you want. So what if we write something wrong? What if I forget to do some to put some information? I type the name of account wrong. It's very easy. You need just to press on the what account you need to modify. Let's say computer. You press edit. Then you can modify whatever you want. Then you press OK. Also, you can press refresh just for refreshing. And also, if you want to delete some account, you can just highlight and delete. But keep in your mind that after you do any transaction and you include any of these accounts, you will not be able to delete it. So once you made any transaction and you use any account, later you will not be able to delete that account. So just as a recap for what we learned today, our task was to maintain the account tree or account table. So how we do it, we go to general ledger, we have maintain account, we press, then we need to create any account. First, we need to know this account belongs to what account type. Or we call it sometimes the mother account. So we need to find that, okay, this is a mother account of it. So we just press new, then we type the code, the description, then we highlight if it's like special account, so what type of account. If we want to do it under sub account, as example here we take for Maybank, so you don't need to press under the current asset, you need to press the account which you want to create a sub of it. Then you press new, then you create the information. So that's all for today's video. So later we will learn how to maintain our debtors and creditors, or we call it customers and suppliers accounts. See you later in next video. Bye bye.